guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So this week we have seen that Nifty touched a fresh all-time high zones, but towards the end of the week, bears had taken over their position. Now, before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So, towards Wednesday and Friday, we did see both the days Nifty touched fresh all-time high, but then after that, in the same session, we witnessed steep profit booking decline. Now, towards the end of the week, mid-cap stocks have taken a hit and we've seen the result on Nifty, whereas Bank Nifty was stable and did not hurt so much as Nifty. So talking about the levels, 22,222 would be a crucial level to watch out for, and 22,000 would be an important base for Nifty. Now on the upside, we are expecting the recent lifetime high, which is 22,794 and then 22,850 levels. Now talking about Bank Nifty, some of the heavyweight PSU and heavyweight private banks are still holding on to the higher zones, which is adding a lot of strength and momentum to the banking index. Now we are expecting 49,500 as the next level to watch out, with a support of 48,500. Sectors to watch out for. Now we have seen a tremendous action in the oil and gas space and the power related stocks, which should continue in the coming week as well. Some selective construction related stocks and some of the metal names have also shown strength, which is on radar. So these stocks have remained resilient despite the volatility of the market and to be kept on the watch list. This is it for this week. Now, see you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.